This week's inspirational quote is by Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd President of the United States, who said, "Comparison is the thief of joy." Never a truer word, Mr. President. Guys, this happens every time we go onto Pinterest, we browse art online, or we visit a gallery. We present it with so many incredible pieces that it's tempting, even natural, to compare our work with those of others. But this, however, often results in us becoming discouraged or even vain, neither of which serves our inner artist. My advice: always compare your work to your earlier work. It's a much healthier way to measure growth, celebrate progress, and stay connected to our own voice and journey. When we refrain from comparing, satisfaction becomes internal and our art remains authentic. Go out, be great, compete only with yourself, and may the creative force be with you.